Hey everyone, Becky Yackley here for Women's Outdoor News and Project ChildSafe. And today I'm going to share with you how you can obtain a firearm lock from Project ChildSafe and tell you how to use it. First, for anybody who might not be a believer in gun locks, I want to urge you to look at the article linked below this video and give it a read, but consider that this is just a tool. It can also be another layer of protection for us, the gun owner, with respect to the legal ramifications of whether our guns are accessible or not. So think about that, and then also consider that a gun lock is not a substitute for teaching your children and those around you the rules of firearm safety. So the first step in using this tool, pretty easy. Go online to projectchildsafe.org. The link is below, and you will click on your state and then look at the list. It'll be alphabetical and it will tell you where you can find one close to you. I walked into my local sheriff's office and it was there on a table in the lobby. No questions asked. Go in, go out, get a lock, put it to use. So you have a lock, keys, directions. The directions are in the insert that comes with the lock, as well as linked below this video. But I'm going to show you real quick how to use this lock on a rifle, a pistol, and a shotgun. So the first gun I'm going to show you how to lock is the pistol. Now, everyone make sure they check that their guns are clear before they put them in the safe and whenever they handle them, so I know my gun's safe. I'm going to use the slide stop and I'm going to lock the slide back. Then I'm going to take the cable lock, feed it through the slide, through the mag well, and lock it. The next gun I'm going to show you how to lock up is a rifle. So, just like my pistol, I know it's clear. I lock the bolt back so that the action is open. I take the lock, I feed it through the mag well, comes out the bottom, I lock it, I put the key somewhere safe. So my rifle is locked. The last gun I'll show you how to lock up, the shotgun. Okay, so two things you need to know here. Again, my gun is empty and I know that it's clear. Now I can either lock my bolt back by hitting this button and my bolt stays locked back. Then I can take the cable, feed it through the ejection port or open receiver, out the floor plate or loading port, whatever you want to call it, and lock it up. If I did not know how to make this bolt lock back, all that I have to do is pull my bolt back, hold it back with one hand, feed the cable through with the other, and then I let the bolt go and just make sure that I'm not resting the cable on my extractor again. And then I lock it up and we're done. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is just a tool. It's just another thing you can do to respect and secure the firearms that you own and make your home a safer place for those that you love.
This video is brought to you by Women's Outdoor News and Project ChildSafe. Own it, respect it, secure it.